Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Angela Vidyaniketan, Kodige. Myself, Mrs. Vanitha, handling science subject for 5th standard. Let us continue the chapter 6, Air. Children, in the previous class you have learned that Earth is surrounded by layers of air is called atmosphere. And air is not visible, but its presence can be felt. And we also learned the characteristics of air. Air occupies space, air has weight, and air helps things to burn. In this class, let us learn about the uses of air. Children, we use oxygen in air for our respiration. In the same way, animals and plants also need oxygen for respiration. Oxygen is necessary for fuels to burn. Moving air is called as wind. Wind has enormous energy. Let us understand this with few examples. Children, roofs of houses are carried away by strong wind. While walking on a street, sometimes we feel the wind pushing us. Clothes hung out to dry will flutter when the wind blows. A vehicle cannot move if the air inside the tire comes out. Coconut trees swing in strong winds. And the kites fly up in the sky. This shows that wind has enormous energy. Let us move to the next topic, air pollution. Air is polluted by the smoke released by factories, automobiles, and burning of substances, crackers, etc. Mixing chemicals, dust, microorganisms which are harmful to man and other organisms into air is called air pollution. It causes serious health issues like heart disease, different cancers, breathing problems, etc. And it has a negative impact on growth of plants and their yield also. Sometimes some animal races may get extinct. Prevention of air pollution. Some of the measures to be followed to prevent air pollution are as follows. Preventing the mixing up of chemical waste discharged by factories with air, and installing tall chimneys in factories so that the smoke can be released at a higher altitude. Using gaseous fuel instead of coal, diesel, and petrol. Using public transport and using alternative energy sources like solar energy, hydroelectric power, and also wind power. Avoiding burning of substances near civilian areas means the place which people live. I hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you, children.